especially in Cambodia. Everybody's in a hurry, hard not to get caught up in the crowd. But I don't think I wanna join them. I might fall when it's all push and shove. No one gets too many chances, keep still for very long. Foolish minds, they have all the answers, feeling small when it's all push and shove. Ooh, yeah. People keenly wave their plastic, gotta have the latest trends. Money disappears just like magic. Take it all when it's all push and shove. Sign along the dotted line, don't ask any questions. Everything will be just fine. We guarantee your satisfaction. It's not living, it's not loving, it's just push and shove.